Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just wanted to take a moment to walk around this gorgeous Volkswagen Golf R we've just taken into stock. It's a 2018 Mark 7.5, finished in Atlantic blue metallic. It's got some nice upgrades, as you can see here on the wheels, the 19-inch Pretorias. Really complements the gloss black side skirts, diffuser and trim around the front as well. The bodywork itself is in very good condition. It has been looked after by its previous owners. The car has a full service history due very soon, so we would do that as part of our pre-delivery inspection, where we'll also check the tyres, brakes, steering, suspension, all that kind of thing to make sure the car is safe and sound for its new owner. The interior is just as nice as outside. Those half Alcantara seats in excellent condition. You can see we've obviously got that massive opening panoramic roof as well. Really nice feature. Right, hop in here. See, very soon the service will be due, which we will do as part of our prep. Obviously got the virtual cockpit back there, we've got the adaptive cruise control, media controls here as well, and a nice infotainment screen with your sat-nav, Bluetooth. The car also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual climate control, heated seats, and we've got some storage down there, some USBs. We've got our gear selector for the DSG and the different driver modes. You can see the options there. It has been looked after, all in very good condition. And the owner's manual tucked away in there too. Very nice car. Do let us know if you have any questions or there's anything else you'd like to see on the car. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.